AVID in San Bernardino County is about giving students real choices at the end of their high school journey. Whether that means attending a four-year university, enrolling in community college, pursuing career technical education, joining the military, or entering the workforce with confidence and purpose. Our team partners closely with schools and districts to build strong relationships while supporting rigorous academic preparation, opportunity knowledge, and student agency. We work alongside educators to remove barriers and create meaningful, challenging opportunities so that every student can envision and achieve a successful future. I think at the heart of it all, REM's AVID is about impacting the lives of entire families and advancing the vision of the SBCSS Cradle to Career Roadmap of opening doors, expanding dreams, and creating brighter futures for all of our students.
What I loved about AVID is that even though you have such an impossible goal, or it may seem like an impossible goal, AVID always helps you stay on top of things so that it doesn't seem impossible. Every teacher that's in AVID has always said to students, it's not impossible if you put in the work. You might have a big goal, but there's always small goals to go with it. And what AVID has done is that it's told me, okay, if you want to reach here, what are the small steps? Being structured, being time managed, and being passionate, and being a strong achiever for things that seem impossible to do when really they aren't.